Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Good Directions intro on acoustic guitar. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning. Then place a capo on the 2nd fret. The core of the intro involves a simple 4-chord progression: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. Focus on clean chord changes and a consistent rhythm. We'll break down each part to help you master this catchy opening. Practice these fundamental steps to build a solid foundation for the song. Now let's focus on the strumming pattern and rhythm. A common and effective pattern for this intro is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to emphasize the first downstroke of each measure to give it a strong pulse. Aim for a steady tempo, around 120 beats per minute, to match the song's feel. Pay close attention to the original recording to capture the subtle rhythmic variations. Consistent practice will help you internalize this pattern and play it naturally. To add more texture to the intro, consider incorporating some simple fingerpicking embellishments. For the G chord, you can pluck the open D string before strumming. On the D chord, try a quick bass note run from the open a string to the D string. Alternate bass notes on the C and E minor chords to create a fuller sound. These small additions can really enhance the intro's character. Remember to practice these details slowly for accuracy and clean execution. Finally, let's put all the elements together to play the full intro. Focus on smooth transitions between chords and maintaining your strumming pattern. Practice the entire intro in short, repeatable sections, gradually increasing your speed. Using a metronome is crucial for developing precise timing and consistency. Also, try recording yourself. It's an excellent way to identify areas needing more attention. With dedicated practice, you'll be playing this memorable intro with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.